Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be solving an annual examination paper, Class 8, Part C. In Part C, you have a choice of one question. Only solve any two questions. And here we all solve all questions. Question number 9A. In this part we have 40 marks. A have 20 marks, B have 20 marks, and first we solve question number 9A. Simplify and express into binary system of 31 in decimal plus 13 in base 5 plus 26 in base 8. First we convert all these base 5 and base 8 into decimal. You know base 5 convert into decimal, we multiply with all digits with 5, and you can see here 1 multiply 5 plus 3 multiply 5, and first 5 power is 0, second 5 powers is 1, 5 ones are 5, and 3 multiply 1. We know that the power of 0 equal to 1. That's why 3 multiply 1 is equal to 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now base 8 we convert into decimal system. 26 multiply with 8 plus 6 multiply with 8. First 8 power 0 and second 8 power 1. 8 2s are 16. And here is 8 power 0 equal to 1. That's why 6 multiply 1 is equal to 6. 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. Step 2. This is the first step of this question, and second step is add all the decimal value. 31, 8 plus 22 is equal to 61. So first 61 divided 2 equal to 30, and 30 divided 2 equal to 15, and remainder is 0. In first step remainder is 1, and 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7, remainder is 1. 17 divided by 2, remainder is 3, not 3, 1, and 3 divided by 2, remainder is 1. So our answer is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Now this is our answer. Reading remainder from bottom to top, you know that we get answer 4 times 1, 0, 1, base 2, it means binary system. Final answer 61 in decimal. Our answer is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 in binary system. Okay. Question number 9B. Find the cube of 2x plus 3. Here we use formula. The formula of cube, we know that we write like this. Solve. Again we write here question. The cube formula is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We consider 2x, a, and 3 is b. We put this value in this formula. A cube 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. After multiplication, 2x cube equal to 8x cube plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, x square, and 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54x, and 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is our answer. Now we solve question number 10. Question number 10 have another formulas question. 105 whole square. Evaluate by using formula 105 whole square. You write like this. Solve 105 equal to 100 plus 5, because we using whole squares formula, and we have a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 5. then we easily get answer. You can see here a square plus 2ab plus b square, 100 instead of a and 5 instead of b. 100 square, it means 10,000. 2 5s are 10. 10 multiplied by 100 equal to 1000. Square of 5 is 25. And addition of these values we get 11,025. The answer of 105 whole square is equal to 11,025. Question number 10b. Convert 90,000 into Chinese yuan. 1 yuan is equal to rupees 16.25. So here is Pakistani rupees 90,000. We convert into yuan. That's why we divide 16.25 with 90,000. 90,000 converted into yuan. We know that 1 yuan is equal to rupees 16.25. Divide with 90, we get answer 5,538.5 yuan. Finally, the last question, question number 11a. Construct square ABCD in which measure of the diagonal measurement angle AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Open your book and see 138 page. We have this example. In this example, construct square ABCD when the sum of diagonal. Okay, we draw a line 6 centimeter. We know that the square all sides are equal and diagonal is also. That's why we draw a line segment 6 centimeters. The name of this line segment is AB. Okay. We use compass for construction of square. This is 6 centimeters. Here is 6 centimeters. And we cut this arc with same measuring of compass. Now we draw these lines. Again we construct this figure of square. I am draw a line segment AB with the measuring of 6 centimeters. You can write steps of construction. First step is draw a line segment AB with the measuring of 6 centimeter. On the A point, we draw 90 degrees. It means right angle with compass. You can see here. We know that the square have all angles are 90. That's why I am drawing this angle with compass 90 degree. You can see here. This is our right angle like this. We know that all angles of square equal to 90 degree. That's why I am draw this figure. And now again we use compass for sides of square. Here is 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters and I turn my copy for arc. Okay, joining these points with A, B, C, D. This is our square. You can see here also our diagonal is 6 centimeter. Oh my god, not 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. But diagonal is not a 6 centimeter. Hope you understand this squares video. Finally, this is our square ABCD with diagonal 6 centimeter. Question number 11A. Now question number 11B. Question number 11B. Construct right angle triangle in which hypotenuse is equal to 10 centimeter and measuring of one side is equal to 8 centimeter. First we draw the step of construction. First step is draw a line segment AB with the measuring of 8 centimeters. Now I am drawing right angle. Open your compass and you draw a half circle and like this arc make a 90 degrees angle. Now our hypotenuse is 10 centimeters. You open your compass 10 centimeters like this. You see here, take a point and cut ray XB at the point of C. Now join C and A, and this is our right angle triangle. Hope you understand. That's it for today's video. I hope this explanation and construction help you understand how to solve the exams paper. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational videos. See you in the next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.